The question is find out the zero of the polynomial. First question is px is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15, and the second polynomial is px is equal to x square minus 16x plus 64. Let's take the first question first. Px is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Let's take x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. We have to assume two numbers which we can add to get 2 and multiply to get minus 15. Let's take 5 and minus 3. 5 plus minus 3 is equal to 2, and also 5 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. So we can use these two numbers, x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. Implies that now we can take common x, and x plus 5 is factor minus 3. Here we can take minus 3, and x plus 5 is also here, is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. We can into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 is equal to 0, and x plus 5 into minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can assume that x minus 3 can also be 0, and x plus 5 may also be 0. Now x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 5. Now our answer is x is equal to 3 and minus 5. Both are the roots of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus 15. Are the zeros of the polynomial px. Now we take the second question. Px is equal to x square minus 16x plus 64. Let's take x square minus 16x plus 64 is equal to 0. Now again we have to assume two numbers which we can add to get minus 16 and multiply to get 64. Now we are going to take minus 8 plus minus 8, so we can get minus 16 as a sum and minus 8 into minus 8, so we can get 64 as the product. Implies that x square minus 8x minus 8x plus 64 is equal to 0. Now we can get common as x, and x minus 8 and minus 8, here we can take minus 8 as common, and x, and here minus 8 into minus 8 is equal to 64, so here remains minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we get x minus 8 and x minus 8 is the products is equal to 0. So x minus 8 may be 0, and x minus 8 may be also 0. So x minus 8 is equal to 0 and x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 8. Here the two zeros of the polynomial is only 8. This is called double zero of the polynomial. Our answer is 8 is the zero of the polynomial px